Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have something incredibly exciting to share with you. My friends over at Cooler Master hooked me up with a very special little present. Now, why is this video so important to share with you and to get it out now at the moment? Is because I'm the only one on the African continent that has this. As you can see, it is the H500P. I have been wanting to get my hands on this case for a very, very long time. Now I get to build it. Let's take a look. It comes in this really awesome bag, and I must say it is actually really well made. So without further ado, here it is. So I mean, just look at this. This is absolutely amazing. This is so beautiful. Right, so the quick few bit of specs. You got your tempered glass panel that comes with the case on the side, and then on this side here is it's just a normal steel panel. And I mean, for that price point, I mean everything is held in place magnetically, so which is really nice. You can take the top panel off very easily. And let's put that aside quickly. Another very beautiful aspect of this case is these two 200mm fans, RGB. They come with this case as standard, and of course you have your exhaust 120 as well. So if you did want to take off the front, it is quite easy to do so. You just need to apply a little bit of force and you can get the entire front panel off. This is just an insane case, and I know I keep saying it, but it's just so amazing to have it in person. You hear me stuttering my own words here. So I mean, this is an unscripted, I'm gonna say it's an unscripted response to this. It's just absolutely beautiful. Right, so of course you get the tempered glass that is part of this case. Let's go ahead and take that off and we'll go inside the case as well. Alright, so what we're looking at here is a complete power supply shroud, which is also metal. And the Cooler Master logo here, and it is just absolutely beautiful. I must say the cable management on this chassis is absolutely, I mean, for me it's never been seen before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build into this case, and I'll be able to give you more information on how I found this case to be when actually building into it. So let's go take a look at that. this video has been just a little introduction to the H500P. This is a very beautiful case. I would love to have one of my own as well. If you'd want some more detailed reviews also, or perhaps even a mod in this case. In terms of things to complain, I've found very few things that I would be bothered with in terms of you know, making me not want to buy the case. I mean, the only thing I can mention is that the top cover here, you know, because it's held in place magnetically and it's got a lot of clips on it, that for me, if you take it too many times, it could probably wear it out. But other than that, there's very little things that I would complain about. This is a beautiful case for the price point that you're looking at. It's really a competitive case. Tempered glass as well, and you know, again, these two beautiful RGB 200mm fans that you can buy separately at a later stage. Just remember that this case does not come with the PCI Express riser cable that you'll need to buy separately. And that's all from me, Stuart, and I'd just like to thank you guys for watching this video. Drop a like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Comment down below what you perhaps want to know about this case. If you want more further information, there is information in the description below. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay awesome and see you in the next one. Cheers.